Struggling to get WhatsApp working with n8n? You're not alone, because most beginners get stuck at the credentials setup and they never get to see their chatbot or AI agent in action. In this video, I'll show you how to build your first n8n WhatsApp agent from scratch, step by step, the same way we build 5-figure automation systems for clients at the Fiction AI and teach over 200 members at the Builders Lab. By the end, you see it respond to text in real time and know exactly how to set it up yourself. If this helps, hit a like and let's get into it. So getting straight into the action. So first things first, so that you can create your n8n WhatsApp agent, is simply create a new workflow in n8n application. And for the first node, you want to add a WhatsApp trigger node so that the workflow can start based on a WhatsApp message being sent, basically. So you want to trigger it based on a message, and once you're here, you're probably not going to have a credential, so you want to create a credential, and you can do so by opening a new tab and typing in business.facebook.com. If you do have a Facebook page, you're going to be shown your Facebook page, but if you do not have one, you can basically just go to facebook.com/pages. Once you're here, you can simply just click on create a page here, and you can create your page. So once you create a page, you want to come back to the business.facebook.com and simply create a business portfolio if you do not have one. So for here, we're just going to put Fiction AI, and here we're going to put our name and our email address. So click on create. Already have one. Let's create one. Link it with your Facebook page as an asset. We don't have anyone. We can confirm. And once you've done that, you want to go into your settings, and you're going to find apps under the account category. So once you click on apps, you want to click on add, and you want to click on create a new app ID. Once you've done that, you want to put in your app name. I'm going to put n8n test. Click next, and you're going to find use cases here. So you want to click on connect with customers through WhatsApp here, and just click on next. And for the business portfolio, you want to choose the newly created portfolio that you just chose, which is the Fiction AI Studio. Click on next, click on next, check everything is right, and click on go to dashboard. You want to put in your password here, so put in your password, and yeah. So once you put in your password and click on confirm, you're going to be brought onto this page. And what you want to do now is go over to use cases, yeah, and let that load. Once you do that, you want to click on customize over here. So after that, then you want to go to API setup. Then once you're in API setup, just click on continue here. Perfect. Then click on generate access token, which you'll be taking to another page where you would basically be verified. So you just want to do that. Then you can choose whether you'd like to give access to your application to only a few WhatsApp accounts or all of your WhatsApp accounts and the future ones. I'm just going to choose this one and just click on save here. Click on got it, and then I get back here. So once you generate your access token, you're going to see two numbers here. You're going to see the from number and the to number. Just think of the from number as your business phone number. Like, for example, the number that your customers would be communicating with. But in this case, WhatsApp have given us a test number that we can test the AI agent before we push it into production. But in order for you to put in your phone number, you'd have to follow this process by just clicking on add phone number and make sure your business portfolio account is verified. And you can do so by going into settings here and just go into security center and just have verify here. So once you do that, you would be able to add your own phone number so that your customers can communicate with your WhatsApp AI agent. But for this is a test. But if you'd like to put it in production, that is what you'd have to do. And then we have the 2 here. The 2 is basically the WhatsApp number that you would be testing the n8n WhatsApp agent with. So for here, I'm just going to click on manage, and we're going to add our phone number. So once you've added your phone number, we're going to do a test run. So we can just click on send message here, and you should find a message from the number, which you can see here. Perfect. So once you do that, now what you want to do is go over to your app settings, click on basic, and copy your app ID. Go back to your n8n, paste it here. Then you're going to copy your app secret, and make sure this app secret isn't exposed to anyone. This is a secret key. So once you copy that, you want to go back to your n8n and just paste it and click on save. You can see that the connection has been tested successfully. So once you've done that, we want to test if this actually works. So we're going to open our WhatsApp here and hello. And you can see we just received a message, hello, which was basically what we sent. So now we're going to hook you up with the AI agent node. Find below, basically reply to the user. Yes, they. I said this is just a simple AI agent, just to show you how to connect n8n and WhatsApp in order for you to learn an n8n WhatsApp agent. So like that, I'm gonna add in a chat model. I'm gonna use Open Router. If you don't know what Open Router is, it's basically a platform where you can get access to not just one API model from, let's say, one AI lab. You can get access to multiple AI models from multiple AI labs, whether that be open source or closed source models like GPT-5, Cloud Sonnet, Gemini 2.5 Pro, or even open source models like the new Kini K2 thinking. So it's a really good software, and it makes everything easier for you because you just need one API to access all of this instead of creating accounts with let's say Google if you need a Gemini, if you need to use Gemini, or OpenAI if you need to use GPT-5, or Anthropic if you need to use Sonnet 4.5. So we've already hooked up the credentials with the Open Router. We're going to choose the GPT-5 Pro, or we're going to use the new GPT 5.1. Then for memory, you want to choose undefined below and use the phone number of the conversation as the session ID, so that the AI has context of the whole chat conversations that it has had with that phone number. So you're going to use the from and use that as the phone number. Then for the context length, you can use anyone. If you want the last 5 messages or the last 10 messages, we're going to use 10. And then for tool, so this is just a simple setup. We're not going to do that. We're just going to test out if the AI agent works. So it's using the memory and the Open Router, and then reply is hello. Perfect. So now what we're going to add is a node that sends back this response from the AI agent back to our WhatsApp as a reply. So we're going to choose the WhatsApp Business Cloud and click on send message. And if you check your credentials here, you're not going to see the credential that you just added, because this requires a separate credential from the first trigger node. So you want to click on create new credential. So you want to get your access token and your business account ID. You can do that by going back over here, clicking on the use cases here, API setup, and you can easily get it from here. So just get your WhatsApp business account ID, but your n8n, paste it here, and then you want to get your access token, which you can generate. It's just gonna verify again if you are gonna generate again. So just click on reconnect here and you get your access token. And also, in order for you to have one access token that is persistent over like a long time, instead of you having to generate all the time, is that you need to, first of all, as I've said, verify your business portfolio like I showed you earlier. So just copy your access token, go back to n8n and just paste it here. Just click on save. To set that up, you're gonna put in the sender phone number, which is basically the test number. But if you are going to use this on production, it's going to be your business phone number once you have verified your business portfolio. And for the recipient phone number, you're going to get the from number here. I'll just click it here, and message type. You can send a video, image, or an audio. So you can even hook this up and use AI generated voice as replies, or even AI image generation models to send over back an image. So you're gonna put in text here, then you're gonna go back to your agent node and drag and drop the response. Just click on execute step to test it. You go back, we can see message just got sent back, which is hello. So that is basically how you set it up, and let's see how it will work. So let's click on active, then and now we're gonna have a back and forth conversation. Then let's just ask it a simple question: what's 1 + 1? It's simple, straight to the point, and I'm probably gonna get a reply anytime now. 2. Aim is apple. What's my name? So you can see them very being used in action. You see the very being used, and that's how you can set up your own n8n WhatsApp agent from scratch, handling text in real time. If you want to go further, join the Builders Lab, which is the first link in the description below, to get 50+ ready-to-use templates, live call sessions with me, and a community of like-minded creators and builders building real AI workflows. And if you'd like a custom solution built for your business, check out the Fiction AI, which is the second link in the description below, and you can book a call with me, where we help teams implement automation that actually work at scale. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you inside the Builders Lab, where you can turn ideas into fully automated reality. I'm Ahmed, and see you in the next one.